YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be in a different outfit for the rest of the video because I'm filming this like a week after I filmed the rest of this video. I got these two bags from Henri Bendel that I ordered online, and I just want to say up front that I think it turned into 4 different videos. So I have the unboxing here that, though it's 2 bags, it was like a really long unboxing because I was rambly like I am. So I split that into 2 videos, so that's 2. And then the first bag that I'm unboxing here, I did a what fits video in case anybody's interested in that bag. I haven't seen any videos on it, so I thought that could be helpful. And then I did a 4th video on the second bag, a what fits, and actually I ended up exchanging that bag for a different color. And I'll just tell you up front, the first bag that I'm unboxing here, I returned because it didn't work for me. But I did these videos so that, you know, if anybody's interested in them, that hopefully these would be helpful. Also, I want to say that I just heard yesterday that Henri Bendel is closing all of their stores in January. So if you are a fan of Henri Bendel, I suggest that you keep an eye on their website, sign up for their emails so you can get alerts about their sales. I'm planning to check those sales out. There's not a whole lot at Bendel's that I'm really interested in, but there's some jewelry I really like, and every once in a while there's a bag or an SLG or a travel piece. Most of my Henri Bendel pieces are travel pieces. So I just wanted to let you know about that in case you didn't know, and keep an eye out through the rest of the year for their sales and clearances, and maybe you can get a really great deal with them. Okay, here's the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting into it while I tell you about it. It's from Henri Bendel. In case you don't recognize the packaging, they always ship in white boxes with that tape with the polka dots, the brown polka dots. And I got these items from their Labor Day sale. And though I'm excited about opening them, it's 3 items, 2 of which I ordered and 1 was a free gift. It's a gift with a $250 purchase. Though I'm excited about opening it, I don't know if I'm going to keep anything in the box because I didn't get to look at these at the store. So they may not work for me, and I have hesitations about both of them, but one in particular was a really great deal, so I had to snatch it up at that deal, and then I figured, well, I'll just decide and I can return it if I want to. And the other is one that I've been thinking about for a while, and I don't know, I almost bought a similar one, and then I was kind of waiting for it to go on sale because Bendel stuff seems to always go on sale. But then it sold out before it went on sale, so it was a pretty popular item, and they came out with a different version of a similar bag, and so I snatched this one up. I'll explain more. Okay, this little envelope has my receipt in it, and there's not room on my desk. They used to do gift packaging for free, and their gift packaging is beautiful. Now you have to pay like $5 per item for it, which stinks. But anyway, here's the Henri Bendel bag, and I feel like this is a different bag. It seems like they used to be coated in a shiny coating, and this one is matte, which I don't care, but in case you're interested. There is a bunch of tissue paper, or not tissue paper, but the brown packing paper, as you can see. Let me pull that out, and I'll show you how this is packaged. So I'm going to tell you, I'll tell you up front, there are 2 handbags in here, and then the free item. The things that just fell out are dust bags. So I have this one that was sent in a package, like in a plastic sleeve. I have lots of their dust bags. They are the best dust bags. They're fantastic. They're really well made and hold up well, and I have a lot of bags in these dust bags that aren't Bendel bags. And I love to use these for packing too. They're great packing bags when you're going on a trip, and laundry bags and all that. So they sent me 2 giant bags because, yeah, I think one of the bags this will be perfect for, and the other bag is smaller, so I wish I'd had a smaller bag. Here is the free item. It is this. Let me open it up for you. So this is the free item. It is a Henri Bendel. There's tissue paper in it. Henri Bendel sweatshirt. It's black, it says Bendel Girl. I'm not a fan of this, but I didn't have a choice. It was free when you spend a certain amount of money. It says that this was originally $58. They give away free things all the time. And they also didn't give me a choice in the size. They sent a small medium that will fit, but it's a pretty good sized sweatshirt. But it'll be good to sleep in or cozy up in. I don't wear stuff like that out in public anyway. All right, the bag that they have on top here, I'm gonna show you second. So I'm gonna pull that out and put that to the side and show you what they've got underneath here. So here's the bag I wanna show you first. It's all wrapped up in plastic and tissue paper. So let's pull that out. And underneath the bag, just so you know, is more of that brown paper. They package stuff very well at Henri Bendel. I've always been happy with their packaging. This bag, when I first saw it, I was really interested in it, but I saw a different version of it than the one that I ended up ordering. The one that I saw was a two-tone, and this is a solid color. The original one, I thought about getting that one because it was on sale too. It was like a beige on top and a black on the bottom. And I saw that one in the store, but just briefly, and at that point I was in the store for something else and I wasn't that interested in looking at that bag. And I was wondering how to style that with outfits, and that's the reason I didn't get that. I love the look of that particular bag, and here's a picture of it over here. Just so you know what it looks like. And I didn't know how to style that with clothes and what to wear with it. So I figured I'd go with this solid color. It'd be easier to wear it more often if I end up keeping it and wearing it. Okay, black leather. Here we go. And here's the front. So it is a giant handbag. My concern about this bag, the reviews were saying that it's enormous and that it's not really good for a handbag, but it's better for travel, and I don't travel that much. But my biggest concern is the width. Look how thin it is. So I'm thinking I might like a hobo style better, but this was such a good deal I couldn't pass it up for the chance to try it out in case I did like it. So before I open it up too much, let me tell you the original price on this was about $430, and they have these bags on clearance right now for $300, but they had a Labor Day sale, which was a one-day only thing on this bag, where it was only $200, so it was less than half price. So I just couldn't pass it up for that amount. All right, let me pull this. It's all stuffed. I need to be showing you these things. It's all stuffed in there. I'm gonna see if I can just slide this foam over to one side instead of cutting it off, just in case I do decide to return it. I want to be able to see the strap but still keep it in new condition. So this is the bag. It's got this strap that it starts out thin here and then it gets wider, kind of like a guitar strap, and it's got plastic here, but it has these little buckles, so it looks like it's adjustable where you can make the strap a little longer if you want. The interior is their signature. Is it silk? I think it's silk. And I thought it was going to be the dark brown that they usually do, but it's a little lighter than that. It's almost like a, I don't know what to call that, like a, not quite bronze, but like a muddy champagne. That doesn't sound very pretty, but it's a pretty color. I hope that's coming across. Let me get the strap out of the way so you can see all the pockets. There's a zip pocket in the back, and there's a piece of styrofoam on the zipper pull here. Let me stand up and try to show you this better. So there's a styrofoam there. Oops, just came off. So there's the zipper pull in there. They have these little tabs that are fairly new on the interior, and it's like a date code tab from Vuitton, except I don't know what the code is. And then it says made in China on the back. The interior of the pocket is also the silk, and it has that little signature Henri Bendel bow, and it says Henri Bendel right there. There's also, where you see that ribbon, that's a slip pocket. So there's a zip pocket and a slip pocket. And then on the other side of the bag, the interior of the front, there are 2 slip pockets. One thing I'd wondered from the photographs is whether this was a pocket, this seam, but it's, oh, it is on the back. It's not on the front. But it's not a full pocket. Let's see. So it's a pocket like that. So that's good. You can slip your cell phone in there, and there's a magnet that keeps it closed. There's also a magnet on the interior of the bag here that'll keep it closed, but there's no pocket on the front. That's all sewn up, and the sides are sewn up. All right, I'm gonna stand up and show this to you on my shoulder so you can get a sense of the size. Actually, before I do that, I pulled a Neverfull out to show you. So this is an MM size Neverfull, and here it is next to this bag. So it is a pretty big bag there. Let me show you the bases on them. There you go. And the height. So I don't know yet how much this will hold. I think what I'll do is do like a what fits in this so you can get an idea in case you're thinking about getting this bag while it's on sale for $300. And if you're an A-list member with them, so if you have one of their cards, you get a percentage. Do you get a percentage off? I think you get a percentage off maybe. And you get like double rewards points on handbag purchases, something like that. All right, let me stand up and show it to you on my shoulder here so you can get a sense of how it looks on the body and how, whoops, I'm always knocking things over on the table behind me. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm 5'3", and it's on almost the shortest setting. There's one hole here where it could be a little shorter, and probably one more hole in the back. But that's pretty much how it sits, and the width of it. So it is a pretty big bag. It would definitely hold a lot. But right now I'm kind of liking that it's so slim because it fits up against your body. I don't know that it would be slouchy. I guess it is kind of slouchy. It's a good soft bag. It doesn't have a whole lot of structure to it. So that's nice. You could stuff it with things and it'll still kind of fit up against you instead of being puffed out where you're running into stuff. So kind of liking it so far. I'm thinking I'll do, like I said, a what fits kind of video with it before I decide for sure if I should keep it. What would you guys do with it? Would you, based on what you're seeing here, do you think you would keep it? Do you think you could use a bag this big? If you can hear all that crunching, it's my dog Sebastian walking on the paper I threw on the floor. So let me know below what you think about that and if you would keep that bag. All right, well that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe and you haven't done that already, click that red subscribe button and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.